Myself, G. Sai Krishna, my project is on a loan default prediction using machine learning. Problem statement. Bank lost money when people don't pay back loans. This project uses machine learning to predict if a person will repay the loan or not using details like age, income, loan amount, and credit history. It helps bank make better decisions and avoid risky customers. Introduction. Giving loans is a big part of a bank world, but sometimes people do not repay them. This is called a loan default, and it is carried financial loss. Provided this a bank needs a smart system to predict if a person will default before giving the loan. In this project, we use machine learning to build a model. The checks customer details like age, income, loan amount, and credit history, and tells whether they are likely to default. This helps bank make safer and faster decisions. Concept explanation. In our loan report prediction project, we use supervisor machine learning to solve a real world calculation problem. The task is to predict whether a person will default on a loan based on features like age, income, credit history, and loan amount. Type of machine learning we use supervisor learning. Supervisor learning is a type of machine learning where the model is trained using labeled data. That means the input data really has the correct answers. How it is used in your project. In the loan report prediction project, we have a dataset with inputs, features, income, age, loan amount, credit history, label output, whether the customer defaulted or not. We give this data to the machine learning model to learn patterns. One standard model can predict if a new customer will default or not. Algorithm uses logistic regression for the predicting probability of default. Simple and works well for linearly separable data. Decision tree helps in understanding how decisions are made based on the rules. If income less than 30,000 and credit history bad, high chance of default, random forest combines many decision trees to make a strong model. It reduces overfitting and gives better accuracy. I have taken dataset. In my dataset there is age, income, loan amount, credit history, default. Code implementation install the imported required libraries, pip installed pandas, numpy, calculator, MATLAB, cbon, import pandas SPD, numpy SPD, numpy as np, and the step we are loading the dataset and training the dataset. If you fusions and target the dataset, I'm loading the train the model random using random forest classifier. I'm training this using accuracy and accuracy score. Confidence matrix. I have calculated this by labeling x and y. This is how got the confidence matrix. I have created value, actual value, confidence matrix. At last, I will show this value. I have displayed these values. Model building using MATLAB. In this part, we use MATLAB to build our implementation to the loan and default prediction model. MATLAB provides an easy and powerful environment for machine learning. Use it statistics and machine learning toolbox. Data import customer data was stored in CS.csv or table format. We use the command data equals to variable.csv data processing, checking for missing values and handling them, splitting the data, model training, random forest, model prediction, model evaluation, calculator, accuracy and completion metric. Accuracy equals to sum of predictions equals to test dot divided by length prediction, length of predictions, confusion chart, test data default predictions. Evaluation results after this model using the random forest algorithm in MATLAB. We have calculated its performance and tested data set. Accuracy, the model achieved an accuracy of approximately 80 to 90% on the data test data. Actual value depends on the data set. This means the model correctly weighted loan default status in 8 or 9 out of 10 cases. Confidence matrix. The confidence matrix was used to compare predictor versus actual outcome. True positives, true negatives, true false positives, false negatives. Matrix helpful to identify the errors and lengths of the model. Out of bag OOB error, the OOB error plot showed that as the number of trees increased, the model error rate decreased and stabilized, confirming that the model generalizes well. Classification report optional. It is optional. We can use or not. We can use it will use or not. If we convert the created and actual values with numeric use custom code. We can also calculate precision, recall, F1 score, results. The model we built using MATLAB gave an accuracy of 80%, meaning it's correctly predicted loan because most of the time from the test results it incorrectly it's correct, not incorrect, it's correctly identified people who would and who wouldn't default on their loans with only one mistake. Confidence matrix showed clear results and out of bag error graph confirmed that the model was working well without overfitting. Overall, the model gives good precision predictions and can help in making loan decisions. Currently, this is our prior conclusion. In this part, we successfully built a machine learning model using MATLAB to predict whether a person would default on a loan by using features like age, income, loan amount, and credit history. The model learned patterns had made accurate predictions. The random forest algorithm gave reliable results with good accuracy and low error. The system can be helpful for banks or financial institutions to make a better and faster loan approval decisions in the future. The model can improve with more data and adding more features like employment status or spending behavior. Finally, thank you.